guys, we are going to go over a few things on your Saxon 109. So the first one says draw a 3/4 inch line segment. So we don't even have 1 whole inch yet. So what that would look like is we have not even gone to an inch mark. We've gone 1/4, half, there's the 3/4 mark, so it would look like that. And then they want you to make it 2 inches longer. So we will go to the end of that line segment and we're going to add 2 whole inches. I'm doing this with one hand, so excuse me if I'm clumsy. So it would end up being this long, and they want us to name the length. So we have 2 whole inches that we added on to the end, and then 3 quarter-size pieces of another inch. And then we'll use our inch symbol. On number 3, I just want to give you a reminder that QUA always means 4. So think of the clock as being divided into 4 sections. So I've colored the 4 different sections here, and each section is a 15-minute set. So this would be the first quarter past the hour. Then when you get here, remember when we're doing measurement, we say that once we get to 2 quarters, which would be 1, 2, since 2 is half of 4, we can just call that half. So you can see that when you get past 2 quarter sections of the clock, you've gone half past the hour. And then this would be the 3rd quarter, and this would be a quarter to the next hour. And here they say quarter to 5. The word to is short for the word toward. So when they say to the hour, a quarter to the hour, they mean this section, a quarter toward, when it switches to the next hour. And I darkened that writing a little bit just in case you couldn't see it well. On number 4, we're going to practice that counting up strategy that we've just learned, finding the difference between 132 will help us fill in the missing add-end, because finding the leftovers between them or using subtraction is the inverse operation here to find that missing piece. So look at the ones place. How many more ones would I need to get up to 40? Well, 2 plus 8 is another set of 10. So that would get me to 40. And then in my head, since those are nice round numbers, I can do the difference between 40 and 100 is 60, or 6 sets of 10. So 32 plus 68 is 100. On this one, I'm at 49. How many more singles would it take me to get to the next set of 10? Well, 9 plus 1 would be another set of 10, so that'd get me to 50. And then from 50 to 100 is another 50, or 5 sets of 10. So 51 plus 49 is 100. Now we get to practice that counting change. So we bought a pencil for 24 cents, and we paid the clerk $1. She has to give us back the difference between these 2 prices, what we paid with and what we owed. So let's practice giving change by counting up. How many more single units would it take me to get on up to the next set of 10, which would be 30? Well, 4 plus 6 would get me to the next set of 10. So that gets me a nice round number. Then I can do mental computation. What's the difference between 30 cents and 100 cents or $1? 70, or 7 sets of 10. So she owes me, and I'm going to do it with my $ and decimal, the clerk owes me 76 cents back in change. And that would mean 24 plus 76 is 100 cents or $1. And that's a fact family, so 100 cents or $1 minus 76 is what the clerk keeps of my money to pay for my pencil. I'm going to let you use those examples and videos on our other Saxon exercises to help you with the rest. If you have any trouble, please message me.